Data science methodology. Generally, a methodology is a process that drives activities within a given domain. The best part is the methodology does not depend on particular technologies or tools, nor is it a set of techniques or recipes. It is just the process with defined input to achieve a defined output. Let's see the data science methodology to drive meaningful insights. It is an iterative, simple yet powerful methodology, leveraged for producing repeatable and successful results. The methodology consists of various stages that form an iterative process for using data to uncover insights. From business understanding to analytical approach, from requirements to collection, from understanding to preparation, from modeling to evaluation, from deployment to feedback. Regardless of technologies, data volumes, or approaches, data scientists need a foundational methodology for providing a business strategy. It is important to have a clear, crisp understanding of the business needs, as that will be the major driver for success.